Hello, this is Narsimha Karthik, a student of Electronics and Communications Department, PES University.
I am Puneet, a student of Mechanical Engineering studying PS University.
Hi, I am Akash Jamlagni of the Department of Electrical Engineering, PS University, Bangalore.
Hello, this is Yatish from Computer Science Department, PS University.
During the course of program for last 6 months, we had few issues. One of the major concern was the communication problem. Due to lockdown, we were not able to go and meet physically and interact with each other and discuss about the project. So we had to use some online sources to resolve this. Few of them were Google Meets and Microsoft Teams. We were able to use them and communicate with each other and resolve issues to solve this project.
So another important challenge we faced was to manage the academics as well as the task given in the Yantra robotics. So it was a very quite challenging for us to manage both academics as well as the task which was assigned to us, because we are all from third year. So as you know, the third year is very important phase in the engineering. So it was a very difficult job for us to manage the academics as well, and exams were nearing, but still were we were dividing that work which was assigned to us, and with the team we were able to make the submissions on time. And during the task for submission, we had end semester exam. It was very important for us, and also the task for submission came along with the end semester, but we were successfully able to complete the task 4 on time, and also the next two tasks, that is task 5 and task 6, successfully. And here we are at the end of the journey.
Yeah, so we basically joined the competition to learn stuff about robotics, and over the course of the journey, we have grown more and more competitive, and our competitive spirit has led us to the final stage, and the wide range of resources that are available on the internet and the Piazza platform and the eYantra forums has been immensely useful, and we really thank the guides for taking the time to answer our questions.
Theme assigned to us in this EYRC competition was Vargi bots, which means which is derived from the word Vargikaran from Sanskrit, means segregation based on category. Okay, coming to the theme, it is an application of Industry 4.0, that is the in specifically in domain of warehouse automation. Automation plays an important role in this Industry 4.0. So hence it has been a very immense opportunity, a great opportunity to work in this competition. So no, okay. Next one, the implementation of this theme was mainly based on the operation of two UR5 arms, and then using ROS as the backend for this operation. We used Python 2.7 to code as a programming language for program this operation in ROS and using ROS-Pi, and then communicate with the robots and the backend using Hive MQTT protocol, using Hive MQTT protocol. Then what this operation does is it does the pick and place and then sorting operation of the packages. Okay, coming to the pick and place operation. Okay, this is the pick and place operation of packages and then sorting them based on the priorities is the main importance and important application in this task, in this computer, in this theme. So what is this theme basically is about? When the warehouse receives incoming orders, it is processed and such that highest priority orders is first processed, and then lowest, and then medium, and then lowest order priority orders are processed. Here we this word okay. Here this uses technologies like ROS for the backend services, and then Gazebo to simulate the warehouse environment in areas, and then IoT protocols like Hive and Hive MQTT Hive MQTT platform to establish IoT communication between ROS and the backend, and then we used Google Sheets and as scripting services to update warehouse management, inventory management system, and then send corresponding emails depending on the package and shipment status of the packages. So here is the theme flow. First, the packages are the spawned onto the shelf, and then a camera 2D it recognizes the packages, and then uh, based on the color, and then categorizes it based on the priority. Then the UR5 arms are activated such that it starts picking the packages and placing it on the conveyor belt based on the receiving incoming orders. Then the second UR5 arm, it picks the received package, which is detected by logical camera, and then it sorts based on the color. Hence, we implemented a warehouse automation system from scratch with the help of the tools provided by the eYantra EYRC team. So hence our knowledge in some of the technologies like ROS, IoT protocols and app scripting, and also we created a dashboard system for monitoring different orders and packages using which we created from scratch using HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and we used Ajax for asynchronous updation. Hence, our journey through this competition was really insightful and helpful for us. Thank you.